Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that the bulls are starting to show some signs of strength. I don't think anybody's going to argue that, from where it closed or from the low points a couple days ago to where it closed today, that this was a very nice move on the bulls' part. But that segues into our question. Yeah, it's a nice move, but is there any sort of true power behind it? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around an annotation from the video I did yesterday, and that's right there at 28 cents. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 28 cents as a level of resistance. And the first update comes about from a foundational principle in charts, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And this is the level that's going to help us answer the question, is this move truly strong? And hopefully we can all agree on this logic, but price movements that do have genuine strength, that are truly powerful, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 28 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of the previous range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. You picture each one of those as stair steps. And hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying progress forward as that 28 cent mark. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this price movement is going to continue to fight upwards, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? The next overall one, I can't tell if the price hit it today or not. Nope. Is right up there at 33 cents. Going back through the history of the chart, you can see quite a bit of price congestion right here around the 33 cent mark. So that'll be the next overall level of resistance. All in all, though, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance not really a huge priority at this point in time. Top priority, in my opinion, going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as the chart is building higher bases going forward, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.